Favor of having visa be transferred to another cluster, BOA cluster. And why?
Well, first and foremost, you have to understand na galing na rin tayo sa BOA, di ba? Tapos ngayon, nasa siting cluster tayo. And, well, I'm not in favor of transferring it to another cluster again. I wanted to stick to the science and technology cluster kasi even though medyo may business concepts pa nga yung organization natin in yung course natin in the first place, which is MIS, it still holds true na it's still part of a scientific endeavor. In fact, IT is more scientific than just management. And so yun, if we are already part of this community and we have been working well, siguro even more than the usual expected performance of a member of the Science and Technology Cluster, okay lang. I'd still say na just go with that.
For me kasi, same din kasi, coming na, pero kasi nga, tayo since MIS, computers, technology, so it's our niche, what makes our work different from the other work. So I think pupunta tayo ng business-oriented just because parang mali yung nakita nilang base para sa nakita yung pinaproject natin na image from our organization na titingin nila sa atin parang business-oriented to parang for science and technology. We're promoting technology and its importance to other people.
Next question. Should MISA be an exclusive organization for MIS?
For me, no. Kasi, MIS kasi for home org, pero I think na kapag pag exclusive mo siya, so parang hindi ka welcome sa other ideas, other parang possible mo contribute ng ibang tao. Kasi kung close, parang, kung exclusive, parang in a way, nagiging close-minded ka, hindi ka na open na pwede pala, hindi ganito pala, may effect pala yung ganyan. Hindi mo rin malalaman kung anong effect ng organization mo sa ibang tao. Hindi ka pwede nila kukuha lang lagi sa mga surveys. So, mapapanin nila na, cliquish pala. So, parang technology, para pala sa isang set of individuals na pala yung technology. So, I'm not.
Yeah, me too. I'm not in favor. I'm not in favor of MISA being an exclusive organization. In the first place, it's stated in our mission that we want to be a student organization of information management professionals. And that being said, that information management professionals doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be an MIS major. In fact, other people who may be really interested in MIS stuff or IT management that just join different courses but still want to pursue this kind of career could still join MISA. And in fact, that's why we cater to other organizations in the community and com centers.
One major issue na pinupush ng LS, I think, is the transferring of the activity hour from Wednesday to Monday. So as the president of MISA, what is your stand about that issue?
Personally, from Wednesday to Monday. Okay, so personally, activity hour ba natin? Wednesday lang. Wednesday, Friday. So maging Monday and Friday. Okay, so yun, the mere fact na magiging hiwalay yung activity hours, that's gonna be hard for us sample. So I'm not in favor kasi iba, you have this project, gusto mo in 1 week nangyayari, but you start it Monday, then you continue it Friday, problematic na yun sa'yo. And the mere fact na Monday is yung start of the week classes, parang wala sa kondisyon yung mga tao to do org stuff eh. I mean, magpapa-concert ka ba ng Monday ng gabi or magpapa-meeting ka sobrang late night, start of the week yun, it's gonna be problematic for the organization and the members.
So for me, for me, okay lang siguro kasi the time that they suggested it because they have heard of concerns kasi kung Friday is already okay na. So kung Monday, kung nyari may activity and then they meron pang sa pagitan ng from Monday to Friday. I think okay na naman kasi we must have conducted studies or have heard of complaints na kung why they want to move the Wednesday to Monday. I think they could move it because siguro lagi lang pasok pag Monday. So isang part, I think it's part. So I'm fine with that.
So in favor?
Yeah, I'm favor.
Next question. What makes you better than
I'm not thinking so parang better, person is a better. Kasi maraming natin, siguro, you're more efficient for now. That is for now. Kasi syempre, why did I run? Kasi, I saw Marvin as parang ang ganda pa ng leader, so may effect ang leader sa tao. So, kung gano'n na, kung meron kang ma-inspire ka ma-inspire ako. So, not better eh. I want to parang at least be at the same level of leadership that we have right now. So, I will work hard and I'm willing to work hard for it.
Siguro what's different with you and me, and also what makes me, para sa akin lang personally, better than you is that you really work into really marketing like perspective. It's all sales, it's all show, it's all pakita nyo ganito kayo, ganito. Lahat positive, di ba? And well, sa akin, it's okay to be positive, but then you have to consider also the facts or the operations of the organization. And kung minsan naiipit na ba yung operations nyo, nadadamay na ba yung mga membro nyo over these marketing efforts or these pampapogi efforts lang ng organization.